Hi everyone, Jaya Jagannatha. Welcome back to my another new video. Today I will show you how to make this South Indian style puliogare. Cut the veggies like onion, green chilies and garlic like this into small pieces like this, and cut the green chilies like this, and cut the garlic also. Cut it carefully, and also cut the coriander for garnishing. And this all the materials we need for making this recipe. And take a vessel and add 4 spoons of oil and fry the ground nuts. And take the same oil and add mustard seeds, and add curry leaves, garlic, and add green chilies and red chilies. And fry it all together. And after frying, add the chopped onions into it. And mix and fry this also for a while. And add the tomatoes into it and add salt as per your taste, like this. And many of you are not subscribed, please subscribe, and it is fully free. And add the NTR Puliyogare powder, and add the tamarind puree. And add 1 plate of cooked rice. And add the fried ground nuts and cutted coriander into it. And add ground fried donuts, and mix it all together. You can see a beautiful color and looking tasty. Now this is ready to serve, and enjoy. Thank you.